All right, moment of truth, 4th of July. So Dewey, he was around a lot of gunfire. During a formative period, I got him at 5.5 months. He was raised out in the woods with this dude who was into guns and shit. It's a long story. So anyway, I'm positive that's why he's fucked up with fireworks. He's generally a very super confident dog, you know. Whatever, it is what it is. So he's basically gun shy, I think. I think that was created. Doesn't matter. All right, so this is a problem people deal with their dogs on the 4th of July all the time. And the problem I have with it is, it's not the dealing with it, right? Getting rid of it, because it's a once a year thing, typically. Maybe a couple of days it goes on, you know. The problem is that people make a big deal out of it, okay? They're like, oh, what do I do? First of all, it's an easy thing to manage. If you do nothing else. You're probably not going to train them out of it if they have you can make it easier for them. You're probably not going to train them out of it completely because, like I say, you don't have enough reps unless you want to like download the sounds on YouTube or something. But you know, it's like I said, it's not really worth the time because it's such an easy thing to manage. And with certain dogs, just won't totally get over it. Like some dogs, they flunk out of being police dogs because they're just naturally gun shy, so it's not going to happen. You know, no, not the end of the world. So here's the deal. I'm going to go out there. I'm going to play with him. I'm going to let him bite. I'm going to play. He loves to play. He loves me. He loves tennis balls. He loves fucking around with me. I might even just bust his balls, literally, slap his balls a little bit, get him going, and get him, excited and focused on something else. The point of the drill isn't to habituate him to the fireworks, to recondition him or any of that bullshit. The point of it is to make him tough, okay? And to not coddle fear. It's a general pattern that I want to avoid with him. Fine, he's scared of fireworks, that's okay. Never goes away, no big deal. I don't want him to develop a generalized habit of becoming panic prone and just kind of avoid it and fearful, it's skittish. I just don't want to cultivate that. And that's what you want to avoid with your dog on the 4th of July. It's the big picture, okay? So, and one last thing, I'll give an example. Ivan Balabanov was like my favorite dog trainer. Fantastic. I mean, just a brilliant trainer. He's like a multiple IPO champion worldwide. He's just excellent. And he's a Russian dude, or Eastern European, I don't know, he's Russian. And they're way tougher. Over there, they just are. We're just, our culture, and we're just so pussified. And they do that culture. I mean, they have their flaws too, but they do try to cultivate toughness in their children. And he posted a video of these Russian kids. It was a snowstorm outside. It was in the middle of winter, probably like below freezing. And they ran outside, all these kids in bathing suits. It was a school. And they went outside, they had a party in the snow, and they went swimming. And they were like, ah! And they made a game out of it. Okay? And he didn't even explain the video. I knew exactly what he was getting at. And that's how he trains. He tries to use games to make dogs tough, to tap into their natural social and predatory instincts. And not so much to recondition. He's more about like ethology and relationship than learning theory. And that's what we're doing here. I'm trying to cultivate toughness in him. I'm trying to make a game out of it. Okay? And just like those kids, I'm gonna, instead of being afraid, of the cold, now it's gonna become that pain. It's gonna be something that in a way is kind of a good thing. Like it's a party. We're gonna make a game out of it. But the main thing is I want to send him signals. Ain't no thing, dude. Okay, that's the signal I'm trying to send to him. Just like those kids. All right, so he's already amped. We get the band practicing downstairs, so he's a little creepy. That's fine. I don't care, but we're going to work through this. No tools, and we'll see how it goes. Come on, Nancy. You want to get out there? Come on, you fuckboy. I'm all loaded up with tennis balls. I'll be shocked if he does poorly here. All right. Come on, you. Right. Sit. Yes. Yeah. Straight to the big guy. Oh. Good. Spin. Oh, good. You. That's good. Get it. Up. Good boy. Spin. That's good. Up. Good boy. You. Get him. Nice. Yes. Up. Yes. Up. Good. Get in there. Get it. Oh. Good boy. Good boy. Boy. That's my best play. Up. Good. Good. Heel. Look, boy. Got it. Good boy. Look. Up, look. Yes. Up. Up. Yes. Good boy. Up. Yes. First time in the pool, too. Good boy. Up. Yes. Making a game out of it. Good boy. Up. Yes. Good boy. Up. Good boy. You. You. Good. Good boy. Up. Place. Good. Heel. Good. Place. Place. Yes. Good. Up. Up. Place. Get it. Up. Place. Good. Come. Yes. Want to get your bite on? No, you love the ball. Can we get it? Can we get it? Good. Let's go, boy. Ain't no thing. Up. Good. Stop. Spin. Spin. Stop. Place. Oh, place. You. Yes. Good boy. All right, I'm gonna keep fucking around. You get it, okay? Not over it. Doing a little better though, but I'm not gonna let him be a weak dog. Okay, he can have his hang-ups, but it's gonna stay circumscribed and isolated. Great job, buddy.